Language enables us to express our view, while a good grammar book enables us to express our view with clear cut and flourishing language. Let's take a view on an unboxing of a good grammar book. Firstly, I am going to unpack the book from the packet, which has come from the courier service. Yes, Amazon, and I am going to scissor it with my pair of scissors. I am scissoring it. See and see the grammar book. It is a new edition, English grammar and composition and uses, revised and updated edition of J.C. Nesfield, a prominent name in grammar, unique name in grammar. You can say. See, this is. And here see the name is again, and see it is revised and adapted from author's English grammar book 4 and other works by N.K. Agarwal and F.T. Wood. You can see the all degrees here, the author's degrees here, and see is MPhil and others degree of it. And I can show you, I am going to show you the prominent name again, the publisher's name, Macmillan Education here. And again I am going to go through the book here for the preface and other sections. See, this is, and my main object is come to this 2000 edition, and I am going to come to the contents here. See the contents here. Contents at first it is starting with sentence, kinds of sentence, subject predicate, kinds of phrases, part of speech, noun, case, genitive case, noun number, parsing models, etc. Tense is also available here, but you have to remember all the time. See, this part is very important here. Mood is also here, but you have to remember in all the cases this grammar book is not for the beginners but for the secondary students, just after the beginners. It may be school student, but after beginning of first book, then try it. It will be then the most helpful book. And the second part is showing to you. See, this is the second part. Here is the second part, but it is quite busy. I am going to show you this is. See here. This is part 2. Correct uses here. This correct uses, contents. See, contents of grammar as I have showed you before. Again, I am showing this again and again. You can see this very clearly. Then this is the second, then the third, the part 2 here, correct uses, the correct uses here, then the part 2 correct uses of various kinds of adjectives, degrees, comparison, adjectives, uses, nouns, etc. See here, see the correct uses here. See, you can see here is the idiomatic uses of article and by the by prepositional adjectives. And then the part 3, structure of sentences. Here the structure of sentences are showing adverbial clauses, adjective clauses, noun clauses, and the noun clauses, adjective clauses. Actually, it is defined with clear-cut examples. If you go through the book, you can see this. I have gone through the total, and you can also see this. And then I am going to the next part here, next part, and after 4 it is 5. It is written composition. It is written composition is here. In written composition you can see paragraph, means writing skill, story writing. Writing skill is defined here with examples and definitions. Here are the narrative essays. Here is the essays. Much more essays here. Here is specimens, means example. Comprehension examples are here. Appendix 1, Appendix 2. You can see this, and I am going to Going to here, see, it's the starting of the book. It is totally blank page and starting of the book. And now it is the back side, and I am come to the literacy part. Literacy part means essay part. Here is the essay on literacy, and moreover here is a part on poetic instrument also, and another showings of it. Like any other good books, this appendix is also showing here. See, and the book is here. You can see this. So Macmillan Education's barcode is here. 325. Its price is, weight is here, and here it is. Bye bye.